Can states treat independent political candidates differently than party-sponsored candidates? The United States Supreme Court considered that question in Anderson v. Celebrezze. An Ohio statute required independent presidential candidates to file their candidacy documents with the Ohio Secretary of State at least 75 days prior to the primary election leading to the general election. For the 1980 election, that deadline was March 20th. Party-sponsored candidates didn't have to file until as late as 5 months later. John Anderson announced his independent presidential candidacy on April 24, 1980. On May 16th, Anderson's supporters filed the required documents, but Ohio Secretary of State Anthony Celebrezze refused to accept them because the statutory deadline had passed. Anderson and 3 Ohio voters sued Celebrezze in federal court. The district court found that Ohio's law violated the First Amendment and the Equal Protection Clause. The court ordered that Anderson's name appear on Ohio's November general election ballot. Celebrezze appealed to the Sixth Circuit. The November general election took place while the case was pending, and Anderson received over 5% of the votes cast for president. The Sixth Circuit then reversed, holding that Ohio's early deadline ensured that voters had the opportunity to scrutinize and consider independent candidates. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.